Hey everyone, reading is an important milestone of a child's development. Just like other delays in a child's development, if a child is not able to read properly by 5 to 6 years of age as per his level, then it creates a real nightmare for the parents. So in today's video, I'm going to share the 5-step process to introduce reading to a child. So let's start. First step is alphabet recognition and the phonic sound. This step is the most crucial step of the reading process. It is just like the basic building block of a building. So it must be learned by the child by heart. So first you start with alphabet recognition, and this can be started even for a 1-year-old child or earlier also. Even if a child does not speak properly at that time, then also you can introduce colorful alphabet books like this. When a child is able to speak, you can ask him, "What is this? A. What is this? Apple. What is this? B. What is this? Ball." When the child is thorough in this step, then start teaching him sounds of these alphabets. Each English alphabet has a sound from our Hindi Varnamala, and that's why we teach phonic based reading to the child, which makes the reading process easier. You can introduce phonic sounds as A says A as in apple, B says B as in ball, C says K as in cat. Like this you will introduce, and then A says A apple, B says B ball, C says K clock, D says D dog. You need to do practice daily for 1 to 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day, and it can be done anytime. When a child is in a happy mood, or you can teach him along with his play also. There are many kids animated videos. Phonics are also available on YouTube. You can show him those videos as well along with their favorite videos. So daily when they will get a dose of these phonic sounds, they will become perfect in recognizing alphabets and their sounds. You can make flashcards like this, which are very helpful in teaching the alphabet recognition. And these flashcards you can carry anywhere, and you can teach the child at any time of the day. Next step is practicing alphabets and phonic sounds recognition. In this step, you can use these kinds of worksheets which are available on the internet also, or you can make colorful sheets also. Here first child will recognize the picture. What is this picture? This is watermelon. Watermelon. V sound comes from which alphabet? He will choose that alphabet. V sound comes from W. So he will match watermelon to W like this. This is octopus. Octopus. O sound comes from which alphabet? O. So he will match octopus with O. In this way, alphabet recognition and phonic sound recognition will become strong. You will find different types of alphabets here. You can make these type of worksheets at home also. I have used this type of worksheet also. Circle the images with L sound. Here the child will circle ladder. Ladder. La sound comes from ladder. Loin. Lipstick. Same here, he will circle T sound. T-shirt. Tree. Tiger. In this way, 3 things will happen. First, child's alphabet recognition. Second is phonic sound recognition, and his fine motor skills will also develop as he will use his fingers to draw the circles, to draw the lines. Third step is writing phonic sounds. In these type of worksheets, there will be a picture and there will be blank lines where child will write the phonic sound of this picture. Phonic sound of the beginning letter. Suppose this is yak. Yak. Ya sound comes from Y. So he will write Y here. Nurse. Na sound comes from N. So he will write N here. So in this way, his phonic sounds recognition as well as alphabet recognition and writing skills will also improve. After this, you can give these type of worksheets where 3-letter words, 4-letter or 2-letter words are written along with their pictures, where he has to recognize the picture. This, what is this? Bat. Bat. B is the beginning sound, so he will write B comes from which alphabet? It comes from B, so he will write B here. He will recognize this picture. This is a cat. Cat. K sound comes from C, so he will write C here. You can use different kind of worksheets which focuses on the beginning sound, and then you can move to the sound of the middle letter, and then you can move to the sound of the last letter of the word. Fourth step is reading 2 and 3-letter words. You will find these phonetic word lists which are having 2 and 3-letter phonetic words having A, E, I, O, U as a vowel. It is having a short A sound. Pan. P and a pan. B egg a bag. Cat a cat. In starting, child has to read like this only, so that he will focus on individual letters phonic sound. Ma and a man. B at a bat. H at a hat. Like this he has to read. So this phonetic word list has short E vowel sound, then I sound. It is having B it a bit, B egg a big. Then O vowel sound, rod a rod, bog a bog, like this. K at a cat, H at a hat, M at a mat, K and a can, F and a fan, V and a van. Let the child read words like this, and he will be thorough with these words, and eventually he will start reading these words as a complete word. Cat, hat, mat, can. By practice he will move on to read like this. This is the book which I got from my child's school, and you will find these types of phonic reading books on internet also. So here we have to use the same words. It has words with A sound. K at a cat. Child has to read like this. K at a cat. H at a hat. M at a mat. R at a rat. F at a fat. B at a bat. Like this he will read. Then AP sound, cap a cap. Then you will have words with O sound, pot a pot, cot a cot. Now these are the sentences made up by the words which kid has already read. A big hat. Child has already read the big word, hat word. After reading these 3-letter words, 2-letter words, it is easier to read these simple sentences. A big hat. A big hat. A hat. Child has already read big and hat. A big hat is on a log. Initially he can read that like this also. A big hat is on a log. Eventually he will start joining and reading the words. Fifth step is reading short story books. So I have taken this Bob Books Set 1 Beginning Readers. This pack has total 12 books which are based on phonic sounds. Matt, Sam, Dot, Mac, Dot and Mid. So how they are focusing on phonics? A vowel sound, O vowel sound, A vowel sound, O and I vowel sound, O and O vowel sound. Like this they have E vowel sound, E vowel sound, A. Now there comes the mixed sounds. So I will show you the one book. mat. So here they have focused on these sounds. M sound, M as in moon, A as in apple, T as in table, S in sun. So child will start reading book like this, M at a mat. So this is something which will fascinate the child also. Mat. His name is Matt. Ma at a mat, sa at a sat. Matt sat. Sa am a Sam. This is Sam. So these are very good illustration. Kids can draw also these pictures. Sa am a Sam. Sa at a sat. Sam sat. Initially they will read like this only. Eventually they will move to read by joining the words. Ma at a mat, sa at a sat. Matt sat. Sa am a Sam, sa at a sat. Sam sat. Both Matt and Sam are sitting. Ma at a mat, sa at a sat on Sam. Matt sat on Sam. Matt sat on Sam. Sa am a Sam, sa at a sat on ma at a mat. Sam sat on Matt. Sam sat on Matt. Matt. Ma at a mat, sa at a sat. Matt sat. Sa am a Sam, sa at a sat. Sam sat. Both are sitting. The end. Sam, Matt and Sam. So these kind of books really helps child in their reading journey, and they enjoy reading these books. These are very short story books, and it is like child has finished reading one book. So I will definitely recommend you to take such kind of books to make their reading habit strong. I have taken this book also, Hop on Pop. This is also very good and colorful book, and they are also focusing on the phonics. So you can introduce these type of books initially, and child will love reading this. If they are not able to read, you can read to them, and eventually they will start. I must say that reading is a process, and it's a long process. It takes time making the child read, in developing child's reading habit. It is not a 1 or 2 day process. You have to put a lot of effort. But initially, if you will put a lot of effort in making the reading habit of a child, he will become a really a good reader. So I must say, from very young age, when the child is of 6 or 7 months old, then at that time also you can introduce reading colorful books to the child. They will get fascinated by those books, and they will definitely enjoy reading. So that's all in today's video. If you have any questions or any feedback, please share with me in the comment box.